Do you have high cholesterol but can't tolerate the statin medications or any cholesterol medication? Well, then stay tuned. I'm about to go over 7 supplements to help you lower your cholesterol. Hi, I'm Dr. Barr and welcome to my channel. I'm a board-certified family medicine physician and I'm also certified in functional medicine. Alright, so today I'm going to go over 7 supplements that can help you lower your cholesterol. So let's get right to it. Number 1 is red yeast rice. Red yeast rice blocks an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase, and this enzyme is needed to help make your bad cholesterol. And this is the same way that statin medications work. Common dosages are 1,200 to 2,400 milligrams in divided doses. And with any of the supplements, I would start low and then slowly increase as needed. Common side effects can be GI upset, such as stomach bloating, gas, indigestion. Red yeast rice also can cause muscle pain and muscle breakdown in rare instances, just like the statin medications can. So it is important that you watch for that side effect and you stop it right away if you get any symptoms and you notify your doctor. There also are rare instances of liver toxicity with high doses of red yeast rice. So you do want to make sure that if you are taking the supplement that you get your liver function monitored regularly. Number 2 is berberine. Berberine also blocks HMG-CoA reductase, but it also helps increase the LDL receptor sites on the liver that help remove the bad cholesterol from your bloodstream. And LDL cholesterol is your bad cholesterol, by the way. And it also is an anti-inflammatory, and it helps improve insulin sensitivity. Therefore, if you have any insulin resistance or if you have prediabetes or diabetes, berberine is a great choice because it makes your insulin work better, and thus it also lowers your blood sugar. Common doses are 250 milligrams to 1,500 milligrams, and side effects can include some GI upset, gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation. It can also cause some headaches, nausea, and can cause hypoglycemia since it does help lower blood sugars. Rare, it can cause some liver toxicity, so it's also important that you get your liver function checked regularly if you're on this supplement. Number 3 is plant sterols. So plant sterols look chemically similar to cholesterol, and cholesterol binds to receptors in the intestines that allows it to get transported from the intestines into the bloodstream. Since plant sterols look chemically similar to the cholesterol, it can bind to these receptors, thus blocking those receptor sites, and therefore less cholesterol gets transported into the bloodstream. It also increases the LDL receptor sites on the liver to allow the liver to grab the cholesterol from the bloodstream. So dosage is about 1.5 to 3 grams a day into divided doses. Side effects can be GI upset. It also can affect the absorption of certain medications, so you want to be careful with that. It also may impact the absorption of vitamin A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble vitamins. So you want to watch for any signs of deficiencies of those vitamins. Number 4 is green tea, and green tea has catechins in it, which may help lower cholesterol, and it also can inhibit cholesterol from being absorbed from the gut into the bloodstream, thus lowering your blood cholesterol. Now, you may have to drink a lot of green tea to really get the benefits, but we don't want all that caffeine because caffeine is a stimulant and can affect your heart rate and your blood pressure, even if it comes from green tea. So I would use green tea more as an adjunct to your diet to help somewhat lower your cholesterol, but not use it as a main supplement. Green tea also has a lot of good benefits, such as anti-inflammatory benefits. So not only is it good for your cholesterol, it's just good for your overall health. And they do make decaf green tea, so you can drink that as well. So number 5 is omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, they can lower your triglycerides, and they can increase your good cholesterol. And dosage is about 2 to 4 grams a day. You can also find them naturally in foods such as salmon and wild fish, such as sardines, mackerel, anchovies, herring, which I know sounds appetizing, but you can also find them in other foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds. It's more of an indirect way of getting omega-3 because your body has to go through an extra step to get the omega-3 versus in the fish. Now, some people don't like the fishy aftertaste of the omega-3, so you could do krill oil, which is actually extracted from crustaceans. So if you have any kind of seafood allergy, you definitely want to stay away from any fish oil supplement. But if you don't, krill oil can also be a good choice. The krill oil is also in a phospholipid form, so sometimes that is more easy for your body to absorb, so you can use smaller doses. Whereas omega-3 is in a triglyceride form, and that is a little bit harder for your body to absorb, and so you may have to take a larger dose. But omega-3s in general, I would get about 2 to 4 grams a day, and it should contain EPA and DHA. Those are the omega-3s that are good for you. Now, side effects can be, you can also get some abdominal symptoms. It can also be blood thinning. So if you are on any blood thinner, you definitely want to be wary of the omega-3. Definitely consult with your doctor. Number 6 is garlic. And garlic can help lower cholesterol. And the standard dosage is about 600 to 1200 milligrams a day of garlic or garlic powder. Or you can eat 1 to 2 cloves of garlic a day, certainly incorporate it into your foods. You may not want to eat 1 to 2 whole garlic cloves. That would be not so appetizing, I don't think. Or you can buy the garlic supplement. Garlic also may have some mild blood thinning properties, so you also want to be mindful if you're on a blood thinner with garlic. And number 7 is fiber supplements. So this helps excrete cholesterol out of your body instead of getting absorbed into your bloodstream, and thus lowering cholesterol. And good sources are through your diet, such as oats, flax seeds, chia seeds, fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes. Those are all natural sources of something called soluble fiber. So you want soluble fiber. You can also take a soluble fiber supplement if you want. So with the fiber, though, you do want to be careful. If you're not used to eating fiber, don't go haywire, because you need at least 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber for the cholesterol benefits. You probably need more just for even health benefits, about 25 grams. But for the cholesterol lowering, at least 5 to 10 grams. But if you're not eating any fiber, start slowly with maybe, a half cup of a fruit and a vegetable a day, and then slowly increase until you're getting about 5 to 9 servings of fruit or vegetable, with a half cup being a serving if it's a fruit, or if it's a non-leafy vegetable. If it's a leafy vegetable, 1 cup is a serving. So as you can see, there are some alternative supplements and foods that you can eat to help lower your cholesterol. Now, a great cholesterol menu would be for breakfast to have some oats with some chia, flax, and hemp seeds. For lunch, having a big salad with some salmon and some beans and different colored vegetables, and using 2 tablespoons of olive oil as your dressing. And you can even put a little balsamic vinegar to give it a little spice. And that would be a great fiber boosting omega-3 lunch to help lower your cholesterol. And then for dinner, maybe some chicken sauteed with some garlic powder and olive oil or avocado oil and some quinoa. That would be, and maybe some sweet potato too, and that would be a great fiber boosting omega-3 dinner. So I hope this video was valuable to you and gave you some ideas on some supplements and foods that can help you lower your cholesterol. Well, please remember that supplements can interact with certain chronic medical conditions and also with medications. So you must check with your doctor to make sure it's okay to take these supplements before you start them. And if they give you the go-ahead, then please give it a try. And please be mindful of some of the routine liver function monitoring that you may need depending on which supplement that you take. You also want to start with the lowest dose of the supplement and then slowly increase, just to avoid getting some of those side effects, especially those GI side effects. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please share. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.